this could be really dangerous. Hey guys, I'm Sahi and I am back again with another really crazy video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a chemical peel at home. Now if you're under the age of 18, please do not do this without your parents' permission. If you have sensitive skin, please be very careful with what I'm doing. You might want to dilute the formula even more. And this is in no way I'm recommending this particular brand. It's just one that I found on Amazon. And there were like some questionable reviews on this product. I have used a lot of glycolic products in the past. For instance, I use this L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal cleanser every single day. It's a gentle glycolic acid cleanser. And so my skin's used to this chemical. And so for me, I didn't want to go with the normal 20 or 30% glycolic acid. That's actually what the dermatologist does. I'm using something a little bit more potent, but as you see, I will water it down a little bit. The purpose of this video is basically to get rid of any unevenness on my skin. I had just turned 30, so I'm starting to get some wrinkles on my forehead. And I'm currently in Blacksburg, Virginia with my fiance, and there's no clinic here that I would trust to get Botox done from. So I'm in this position where I'm not gonna get Botox, but I need to do something to make my skin look good. And so basically I'm here in front of you guys, bare naked skin, no makeup on, because I'm going to be doing a chemical peel in front of you guys. Alright, so the first thing that I noticed was in the directions, they definitely tell you to dilute the solution, 5 to 10%, and do a test patch on your skin. So I read on Amazon a couple of reviews, and like one person was like, this stuff does not work, they diluted it, it's not actually 70%, and then another person said, wow, this acid was so strong that I got a burnt brown patch on my skin, and it's gonna take forever to go away, and I basically ruined my face. And so I just know my skin, and I know how it reacts to glycolic acid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just using a really, really wet tissue, and I'm gonna put a few drops on there, and I'm gonna spread it on my face. Now I have gotten a chemical peel before, and it was like in and out of the dermatologist's office in like 10 minutes tops, and she basically just did this. She took a cotton pad and put the solution on it and rubbed it on my face and told me to get out of there. And I did do a test patch, like I said, right here underneath my chin. So I just did 5 drops on here. And this is how the bottle comes, okay? So 5 drops on a little tissue. I don't have a cotton pad here because, again, I'm in a men's apartment complex and they don't have these sorts of things. A little bit of prep. I also wanted to note that you should take off all of the oil from your skin before doing this. So I did not have alcohol here. So instead I used this Indian soap called Dettol, my Indian accent. This strips away all of your face oils. Like, I'm feeling really dry right now, and it's been like this for 20 minutes, so I'm like dying to put moisturizer on. But we're gonna do this first, okay? I'm just going to gently put it on my face, and right now I'm not really feeling too much tingling sensation. I'm really not feeling much at all. That did not work. We're gonna do this again, and this time we're gonna do it full concentration. I might be burning my skin off right now, but we're gonna do it for the video. So I don't have any cotton pads still at home, but I'm resourceful, okay? I have this PMS Relief by CVS, which, by the way, the title, rude. No one wants to admit that they're going through PMS while they're PMSing. Like, get a new title, CVS. So in here I have some cotton, and we're gonna use that cotton with the same Divine Alpha Hydroxy Acid Skin Rejuvenation Therapy. And I'm gonna keep it on for longer than 2 minutes because clearly I've built some tolerance for this stuff. So I'm just wiping it on right now, and it's definitely starting to burn. I can feel it, my skin starting to look a lot more red. And what I did was I cleaned my skin completely using Indian Dettol soap. So I have no residual face oils on my skin, which means I can burn my first layer of skin off with this stuff. The whole purpose of your skin being oily is it protects it from the world. But unfortunately, the world is me, and I'm doing this to myself. The directions say to put 10 drops of the solution onto a cotton pad, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. I might have used a little bit more, who knows. Okay, my skin's burning. It's really burning. It's really burning. It's been on my skin for like 5 minutes now, I would say. And I feel it. I can feel it on my skin. I mean, it feels like oil. It doesn't feel like it's wet or anything, but you can feel it tingling everywhere. It's definitely tingling. And you know what? I forgot to go a little bit deeper right here where I get really, really bad acne. So we're going to do that. We're going to go a little bit right here. And guys, like if you have an open wound, like an open pimple, you might not want to do this because it's going to burn even more if you have like an open wound on your skin. Ooh, it's burning. Ladies, I think it's time I take this off because my back is sweating. It's, it's uncomfortable. It's burning. Just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go and wash my face with water. Water neutralizes the acid. You can also use baking soda. So 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 8 ounces of water. But I don't have baking soda, so I'm just gonna splash a lot of water on my face and I will be right back. All right guys, I am checking back in. I'm about to film another tutorial, but I just wanted to show you my skin post chemical peel. Definitely did not peel like a normal chemical peel would, but I did notice that my skin was flaking off like around here. I'm not sure if you can see. My skin's heavily moisturized right now, but as far as I could tell, it actually brought to surface a lot of my acne. And so that was fun because then I got new spots on my face. But now that that's sort of cleared up, I just have like the residual, like little scars left from the acne that will eventually go away on its own. As far as getting rid of my current acne scars or my current wrinkles, I don't think the first time did much. I think I need to continuously use this product at full strength to see whether or not it works. But it's definitely not a first time you use it and all of a sudden your skin is brand new, completely fresh, like no scars. That's not all the case. I did notice that like I got rid of the tan on my face because my neck was a lot darker than my face. So in that regard, I think it did help to exfoliate my skin more than a normal gentle exfoliating mask or exfoliating cleanser would do. So I think that it was the next step up. I just don't think it was potent enough for me to be peeling layers of skin off. So that was basically my review on doing an at-home chemical peel. I think doing it this way would be a lot safer than if I had a more potent chemical peel at home. Then you're at risk of burning your skin, you're at risk of creating marks, permanent marks, like permanent brown marks on your skin. That's just not something that I would want to do to myself. So if this means I have to go slowly and use a product over some time, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because I can tell that it is exfoliating my skin. This is probably something that I'll use twice a month. The directions say only once a month, but I think because I'm so used to glycolic acids and exfoliating my skin with a lot of these other harsher chemicals, I think I'll be able to get away with twice a month. So I hope you like this tutorial and sort of like follow me while I do a chemical peel at home. It did not burn my skin, so that's cool, but you can definitely feel it tingling on your skin. Another thing is I left it on for 10 minutes. I had to leave it on for longer for it to work. So I highly recommend that you leave the mask on for 10 minutes and then you'll start to see more results.